with the Homeland Security. So tumulong sila sa amin dito, especially for identifying yung mga treasury bills na yan, mga dollars na yan with the help of Central Bank to determine na yung lead namin na talaga they're producing counterfeit dollar and T-bonds and US treasury bonds. So, salamat kami na nagkaroon ng collaboration na ganito. Ito yung lagi ko sinasabi from dito. We will really collaborate and coordinate with other agencies like Central Bank, like Immigration and Homeland Security. It is very important at least nakikita ng ating international stage na we will not allow people to make our country a haven for illegal activities. At ito at is a direct offense also to the US government na yung pera nila pinuproduce at gagamitin kung saan ng mga bagay. So very significant, and I have to congratulate the men and women